Well, let's look at the figures from the exchange. The exchange is still remains positive. We see 0.09% positive here. Gainers, Japan Gold, Honeywell, Flour, Mayan Baker, and Adrian Berries, FTN, Cocos. For losers, we have Square Motors, Cornerstone, Cordvile, Chains, Transcorp. Effiong Ekop is here. Effiong, what do you make of this sustained positive development we are seeing at the exchange?
To lose straight for 3 days
this
week,
yes,
we have
yes,
traded in green all through. And that's to tell about the renewed interest in equities by fund managers and general investors. The reason is the incentive that the price levels that we see. You know, the market had been down for some time, and now as it begins to pick up, the stocks really remains very cheap. And so those with money moving, you know, to buy into those big companies that they had always wished they could, you know, get their stocks. And that's what we see. Again, if you look at the activity charts, many of the banks are coming to the market. They have very huge volume, you know, to exchange. And as we are approaching the year end for the banking industry set by the CBN, activities, you know, continue to get hot within that sector. If not the troubles that we have in the larger economy, this particular time used to be a beehive of activity at the stock market, where you see people exchanging things and then they want to, you know, offload, sell off so that they get money to spend during Christmas. But all of those things, you know, are being, you know, pushed and pledged downward because of the harsh economic situation, especially inflation that has hitten deep into our savings and salaries and even investments with dividend. So it makes people, you know, to just think too much before they do anything in the market. And as we are seeing political activities getting very hot, we just have to be able to pay attention to what the political parties are doing and the politicians. And so these are the things that are shaping the market. But whatever the market is able to do, it will mark time. As soon as we do election, if we have credible election and it's violence-free, and then whoever emerges, you will see the markets, you know, coming up straight away to take a particular direction. And I think that with this situation, when we do election and finish, the market will stay in a long period of boom. That's what I think.
I must thank you so much, Effiong Ekop, for your analysis on the market.
It's a pleasure.
Today.
Thank you.
All right.